Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is MiSide game guys, and in this video I'm going to share with you that how you actually can play the game on any iOS or Android device. So if you are looking to get the game and play on your device, then watch the video until the end guys. I'm going to share with you all the steps I did for myself so you can learn it also you how to do it on your own. Okay, so as you can see guys, the game works totally fine. So I'm not gonna make the video too long. I will show you immediately what you have to do. Okay, so basically guys, before you start the whole process, you just need to check a few things in the settings so the whole process goes smoothly, you don't have an interruption. So basically go to the settings and scroll it down here where it's general, and then you have this option over here, background app refresh on the top again, and make sure you select Wi-Fi mobile data if you didn't. Okay, like this will be connected with Wi-Fi mobile data at the same time, so the process will not fail because of internet connection. Okay, this is just one step to make sure the process to go smooth. The next thing you need to check guys before you start is to go here down to the settings where is App Store. You have this option where is automatic downloads, app downloads. Make sure you turn it on if you can have it like this off. Okay, like this, it allows automatic downloads in your device, and these steps are required just if you are using iOS device. If you're using iPhone, okay, if you're using Android device, you can skip this part in the settings because for the Android is a different system, and Android does it by itself, this process that I showed you in the settings right now for the iOS devices. Okay, so basically guys, the next step, all you have to do, you just need to go to your internet browser, go and search about this site. It's called Modolix, Modolix. Once you're gonna enter in, you can use the searching bar. It's easier to find, and just need to type the name of the game. So basically you just go there, and here it is. Then you have the information about the game, and here in the corner the install button. So by the end of this process guys, you're going to be able to complete all the steps required. You're going to be able to get the mod same as me. It's pretty simple and pretty easy to do it guys. Okay, so this is it guys. I hope it was helpful for you. So before we leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the like button. See you in the next videos. Cheers.